Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I love to garden. Today we are cleaning up the garden. We're going to get another snowstorm. We have had several frosts. We've had one snowstorm. We're about to get a second. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what I've been doing. Lindsay and I have been cleaning like mad. Look at our gorgeous mountains. Hi, Linz. Want to show what you've been doing? So we're taking care of a lot of different foliage, but I wanted to show you something that was kind of fun and unplanned. I got to get to this before we lose light, but took care of a lot of this. I still have seeds everywhere, so I'm still gonna have lots of fun and putting lots of asters in the backyard. But I wanted to show you, I can't get away from my bouquets. It is November 1st and I'm still finding fun things to make bouquets with. Look at this, that's a lily branch. Isn't that fun? Spirea, look at how awesome the Dusty Miller still looks. Some sort of zebra grass. And then these are kind of shortish, but maybe we'll make a short one. But these are Autumn Joy Sedum. And let me show you a couple roses that are still beautiful. So I can maybe cut some of these. And then look at this night and day snapdragon that still looks amazing. Let me show you some more roses that I might be able to pull. So I just can't get away from making bouquets. I just love it. Let me show you one that inspired me to make this bouquet. Hi, baby girl. See, she has a little tiny rake that she's playing with. And we moved a lot of canning jars. That's what those boxes are about. And then she made a big pile. Thank you, Lindsay.
You're welcome.
And then, look, I gotta cut that for a bouquet. And then I also have some really pretty peach ones still left. So I can't believe, should I take some of that foliage? Maybe. And then this is the white aster. I have tons of white aster. So as soon as I'm done taking care of these piles, I'll come back on and make a quick bouquet of everything after frost has hit it. So I have quite a few of these coneflower heads that might look pretty cool in the bouquets. They're falling apart pretty good though. They're still pretty owie. They might hold together for a bouquet. And then some little pink roses here. Let's get in there. A couple pink ones. So let's see how clever I can get. Some of these red, pinkish roses I could use. There's a peach one there. Everything else is pretty dead. See my cosmos? They're all going to seed now, which is good. Anything else that's left? All the marigolds are pretty much going to seed. I might be able to pull some straw flowers, depending on how tall. There's a pink one there that looks good. So let me see what I can pull for this very last, I keep saying it, very last bouquet. I cannot believe how good the Dusty Miller looks. One snowstorm and it still looks this good. Happy with that. All right, let's see what I can create. I'm gonna pull the yellow and the peaches. Here we go. I got some mums left. Those are pretty. See, the garden is almost done. But now it's going to be time to start putting all the amendments on the garden beds. Hello. So I made a bouquet with what was left after all the frost. And I don't know if I love the zebra grass as much. It's pretty, but there's quite a bit of it there. Let me turn it around.